dan ni bi na ye wo God bi so ha e wo say yetumi nananom boy na ye efiri ho ye obusum bi wala na honorable Addo wujuma bebre e de aman one I several meetings on it. The main problem here omo evaluation at the aman no because omo dey need control bia over them by their processes almost some the preliminary estimates but to me for report no crime mine because they have to send it to their board in Accra na board na approvals and send the report to na abrain na after the who cost no na kwa seek government hoska and send it to me budan. That is how the law works. And as you can see, that can take a long process. Until nunti and this 800-meter stretch, yen to me incomplete. On the project biano any senate we know ye decay preliminary estimates, but by law there was a land valuation board for NAA. The estimates they have to do their own thing. Because by law, no government mandate almost say yomajuma. A long process where the FM and send approval and ABA. That is what makes this one a bit different.
Looking at the time, I'm gonna make almost a process there, but look as if this has taken too long of a time. Going in a fund, we fail it.
Yes. In fact, many of my colleagues say what urban roads, any highways, didn't come up. They even tell me that there have been some projects process we it made it 12 years. And it's something that it's out of our control. Land valuation for now a bit me no more didn't come cry say me I'm a process now quite a bit faster. But like I've said, a government agency you almost direct control. We only have to wait for them to finish their work, then we can start. The last time minister ni meeting there was a brilliant idea on what they buy, but we all need to agree before that one can be implemented. In fact, he shared a beautiful idea. Say, okay, Justice, why don't we do the drainage? Nanka sanya chronomotieno and kayem for asphalt nento simu ye primarily near the seal to swa. Remember movement, ACO. I share that idea. I think that is a brilliant idea. But project no never be koso. Obinim say they do a carriage but I didn't think best sana just single lane that kind of thing. And no time say you must say firm up that idea. We are ready, we instruct the contractor, then we do that one.
The last point. When you say government to government institutions, when dealing with them can get difficult, sir. Why government cannot use that influence to get this done as soon as possible?
It's a difficult question, but what the minister has done, say only meetings, for the last time he agreed, say government will set up an interministerial committee on this same issue. I know there are no meetings were crashed, so he can best brief us what he has done so far.
And what changes so regional minister or Munya for Simon or Semensa, yeah, done it, or Nam no about Prono, or no, so I did we Hanapa, Emma say no, so kind.
They are threefold. The problems are threefold. One, just on my right, where you have a blue polythene that has been stretched to cover, is a mini god of the town. No, I will see a yifri. Bosom or mine, bosom, I will see yifri. You know, my the home come kakra, or more ajatum say. Omobeye yebeya mamre na yeyi enwafiro. The second one compensation payment no can. Now compensation payment no it was two aspects. One property nankasa. Esisi no. Me fan say dan am hu esisi one. E dan no value nankasa. And two the ownership of the land. Me pa choma choma say ubetimi a wodan si ha. Because I have no road reservation. This is an old community. And the time we see that Adriano must say a be a dachi, I have a dual carriage. And the almost swam na sana. Yeah, but road reservation about to say be a road reservation. So we have to pay them. And the payment only one ownership of the land. and none of the buildings involved and a war land title. Do you understand it? So our land title is easier to identify the owner of the land. When you titiwa busuafie ni saa nneɛma no tie ni land title wɔ baako koraa ho. So according to land valuation for no, our major problem no is ownership of the land, because there have been, according to them, there have been several instances utie we are now another group fi baby then aba no mo say assassin ye ne dia eti compensation baby o mutua call ye no enyo mo ho na wo say ye den echo. That is a major problem land variation so face. The other no can I've come to realize by law no enka wo say ye wo committee bi are responsible for all road issues. And to the three, departments now, the Ministry of Road and Highways, like Department of Federal Roads, Urban Roads, Highways. Then, plus utility companies. Do you understand it? Then telecommunication companies, the telecoms, almost okay. And some land valuation, most I then abekaho. Etika kwanya before contract and be moved to site. No, even while they are preparing the estimates. I was saying, maybe a Vodafone, may use you just as an example. So, more line be the hub, they have to let them know so that they will make provision for those one. Ghana Water Company, ECG, watch our lines. Said Drew said, if you try compensation, if you are, or say ECG, relocate all these posts before they can undertake the project. Say in a Ghana Water Company or pipelines and so on, they have to let us know. Now you relocate all the pipelines. So what important us? And we've decided, say, our committee now by law, we are going to re-energize it. Now, every quarter we are going to meet. It is a road sector for ever consult to all these stakeholders before the final estimate is prepared. And these are the problems.
Considering any diversion, because now that it is taking too long and difficult for you to solve, what about the alternative? Diverting the cost?
Divert to where?
Because
this is the main road. You understand it?
I mean, this community
diversion will come in if we don't find solution to it. But for now, anywhere we try to divert the road from this community, the cost will be west.
Thank you.
Because look at the value of these structures are far low as compared to the new site. Even one story building alone can take about 6 or 10 of these structures.
Agreed.
So any attempt to divert will give us worse financial.